It's pretty simple. What to do if you don't have proof? When deciding what movie to go to, you go into IMDb, for example, and this will make sense in a second, and it's rated 7 out of 10, right? But then you end up going to the movie, and the movie is fucking dog shit. So now, in your head, it's like a 2 out of 10, right? You can apply the same concept to your proof. So, if you have no social proof, if you have no results, and you're like, oh, I don't have this, I don't have this many results, I don't have fucking 500,000 people made 10K a month through my program or some crazy shit, you can just provide the proof by doing upfront work for free. Crazy, I know. But most people just don't do that because you're not getting paid yet and people feel pissed. And that was very similar. But I have found time and time and time again through roles that I've gotten with communities making info businesses making like 200K plus just to do work up front. It helps the fuck out. Because that way, it's almost like you're giving them the first 10 minutes of the movie. And then best way to get people to expect value is to give value now. All right. That's pretty much it. Like you can do it different ways, but it's really just that fundamental concept. So you can do like calls up front if you're coaching, for example. You could do, hey, I'll give you a free coaching call and then we'll see how it goes. And then like actually just fucking coach on that call. And then maybe you could rebook them onto something else. And maybe that's not long enough for you to build trust. So you do free coaching calls. And then maybe you just do it for free at the start and then collect testimonials so you can have social proof. There's many different ways to go about it. But that's pretty much it.